everyone. Good evening. Today I would like to present about the case study on the Bank of America, how the robots help serve and protect the bank. Before that, let me explain about the Fintech. Okay, what is Fintech? Okay, Fintech is stand for a combination of the terms. Financial and technology refers to the business that use technology to enhance or automate financial services and processes. It serves the interests of both customer and business in multiple ways in terms of mobile banking and insurance and investment app. Next, why the fintech is very important? It's because it ensures the transparency and compliance. Not only that, it also enhances and boosts company or businesses. In the today's global, it's shaping the financial industry. Not only that, fintech is a cost-effective alternative and also it helps in building a better company. Okay. When we look at the reason, these are the top reason customer use fintech. Okay, first, 68% customer would consider a non-financial services company for financial services. Second stage, 46% of a customer or consumer are willing to share their bank data with other organizations. Not only that, 33% of consumer adapt to turn to someone other than their main first bank. Let's talk about the case study. Okay, this is a Bank of America deployed robot in changing the environment across multiple use cases, resulting in cost efficiency, increased productivity, reduced risk. For a large bank, Bank of America shows that a culture of innovation spread across many parts of a large and complicated organization that can shows an impressive result. Okay. When we talk about the RPA, which stands for the Robotic Process Automation, it becomes a go-to technology across the banking industry. At its simplest, it's the next generation of the automation tool. The application of the software code script governed by business logic and structure input that routine users tasks, such as like interpreting interface, transforming data, initiating, and also we can say that responding to events. At its most complex, it is smart automation powered by the algorithm and decision making based on the machine learning and also the large data set. In the figure, shows the degree of automation complexity aligned to process complexity. AI-powered robotic process automation is the process of the automation. It automates tasks that require algorithm and language interaction on the process of a large amount of unstructured data. Example of suitable use cases for AI-powered robotic process automation are trade and communication, transaction, and the data analysis. And the closure of the batch false positive. Most of the banks that have initiated a robotic process automation project falls in the first column and have deployed a basic task robot, while a handful of leading a bank that have deployed a meta-task robot to automate the tasks across more complex and scalable process by leveraging application program interfaces. Okay, next. Okay, when we talk about the future plan, the Bank of America believe its initiative as a positioned the bank to introduce more advanced technology such as machine learning and advanced analysis to power its robots. AI-powered robotic process automation is the next stage in the evaluation of the process automation. Smart process automation join robotic with artificial intelligence to enable the automation of the workflow tasks that currently require inference and decision. It's allowing its employee to focus on the high-value activity. The scope of Bank of America's initiative is by its nature very large and complex. It was a work progress to identify the potential robotic process automation use cases, starting from a blank sheet and shared operation services team was able to plan with strong governance and project management excellent in mind. Adapting such as approach has meant that Bank of America avoided that common pitfall we are seeing across the first proof of the concept and launching in bank, such as like a poor governance, lack of planning then work and prescriptive control at the launching of the automation initiative and the one-size-fits-all project. Moreover, the use of methodology is far better suit the robotic process automation than the waterfall approach. It has created the ability for easy configuration and code changes in an interactive and visible approach. Bank of America has a positive initiative to continue the rollout of the robotic process automation in an efficient, streamlined manner with low risk, and the bank also setting itself up for the same approach to the introduction of more advanced machine learning and AI technique. That's all from my side. Thank you.